Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, Ma'am and Sir. Good morning. My name is Antonieta Estreva Ogat, and I'm 32 years old, and I'm married woman. I have two kids, one girl and one boy.
What is your education?
I finished and high school graduate.
Okay, what are the ages of your kids?
My girl is 14 years old, and the boy one is 13 years old.
Who will take care of them when you work there in Hong Kong?
Their father.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have three brothers and one sister.
Okay, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are your job duties in your previous employer? Where did you work?
I work in Saudi Arabia. I work from 4 years and 5 months, and I think I take care of 2 adults and 3 children. 4 years.
Only one employer, right?
Yes.
Okay, what are your, how old is the children and what are your job duties there?
Cleaning the house, cooking, and take care of the children.
The ages of the kids is?
4, 8, and 18 years old.
Okay. So you know how to taking care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper is wet, and I will take the temperature, or else I'll make milk for here, or the last is check the temperature.
Okay. So can you handle a naughty children or kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a long patience for them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I will come to Hong Kong to support my family financially.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No.
So do you eat everything?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a baby song?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The wheel on the bus.
Okay, can you sing now?
Yes. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
Okay, thank you. So where part of your tattoo is?
In my arm.
Can you show to the camera?
Yes, sir.
And then the other one?
Here. And
okay. So, do you scare dogs and cats?
no, sir, because I have dogs in our house.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
I'm willing to learn, sir.
Okay. So, can you assist the elder persons, assist the elder needs if there any an elder person in the employer house?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you not do day off but will employer pay you?
Yes, sir.
Can you do the car washing without extra pay?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared dogs and
No,
cats?
sir.
Okay, can you promise not to lose money in Hong Kong?
No. Yes, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper, because I'm helpful, cheerful, and honest person. I can do work under pressure, and I'm willing to do.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir. I can promise, and I'm willing to serve as long as they need me, and hope and positive feedback. Thank you.
Thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.